Hello, welcome back. So as you can see, I wanted to play with blue eyeshadow. I've been seeing blue eyeshadow trend a lot lately and I thought I would try it too. So Covergirl sent me this big package of like almost their entire spring collection, and one of the palettes had a navy blue eyeshadow, so I thought I would try it along with all the other stuff they sent me. So if you want to see how I created this look here, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by priming my eyes, and to prime my eyes I'm going to be using this Covergirl True Blend Pre-Touching Palette. This is like to color correct, but I'm going to be using this, and I'm honestly just going to take this on my finger and put it on my eyelid. To set that eyelid primer, I'm going to take this powder from Covergirl. This is in the shade 710 Classic Ivory. And I'm just going to get my Morphe E23 brush. So I'm just setting my eyelids with this powder just to create a nice base for our eyeshadow. Okay, so I think I want to use tape for this eye look today. So I'm going to be using these little eye tapes from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm going to be placing these on my eyes. I've never used these before, but they kind of remind me of like surgical band-aids. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it here. I probably could have cut that in half, huh? Oh well. And then I'm gonna place this one. Does that look even? Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be even, but we're just gonna rock it because I don't want to keep doing this for 10 hours. Okay, so everyone's been super into navy blue, so I wanted to use some navy blue eyeshadow, and I'm kind of feeling just like solid navy blue, like, so I'm just gonna try it. I'm going to be using this palette right here from Covergirl. This is the Catty Cat palette in the shade Cool Cat. I'm going to be using this navy blue shade right here. It is shimmery, and normally I wouldn't put a shimmery shadow all over my eyelid, but I'm just going to do it and I'm going to see what happens. And this is the Katy Perry collab with Covergirl. So I'm just going to start by putting this into my crease. I'm using my Morphe M332 brush. I'm just going to keep working this blue into my crease until I build the color to where I want it. Okay, so I've just been building this shadow to get it right where I want it, almost. So I'm going to remove these little tapes. Ooh, look at that line. It's so perfect. Oh my god. Okay. Ow. Okay, so now you look pretty crazy. You look like an alien girl with blue eyeshadow, but that's okay because you gotta trust the process. So I'm just gonna blend out these edges. This brush doesn't have anything on it. I'm just using this to diffuse the edges. Okay, so like I said, I just want to use one shadow for this look, and it's just gonna be this navy blue one. But I'm gonna take this Covergirl lid lockup and place it on my eyelids and get this blue like super pigmented like right on my eyelid. Okay, so I'm gonna take this lid lockup and put it right on my eyelid, but I'm gonna focus it down here at the bottom mainly. Ew, it's like on my eyelashes. It looks so ratchet. Okay, now I'm gonna be really careful that I don't open my eyelid all the way because I don't want it to go up into my crease. So using my Sigma E32 brush, I'm just going to take the same eyeshadow, but I'm going to place it onto the area that I just put that lid lock on, and I'm just packing it on. And it's just making this eyeshadow pop a little bit more. This color is actually like really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to move on to eyebrows now, and I'm going to be using these two products from Covergirl. This one is like a brow pomade in the shade 715, and then this one is just a little brow pencil, and this one is in the shade 705. I'm going to start with this pomade one, and I'm just going to lay down a shape, and then I'll further define it with this little brow pencil. And like I said, I'm just going to create a shape, and after I lay down that shape, I'm just going to take this eyebrow pencil and just kind of define the brow a little bit more. Okay, I'm looking real crazy right now. Okay, now we can move on to foundation. For primer, I'm going to be using this Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. It is actually a lotion, but I'm going to use it as a primer today. Okay, so I'm just taking some onto my fingers, and I'm just going to put this onto my face. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend this out. For foundation, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. This is the shade Medium Beige. As usual, I'm just going to put this directly onto my face. I'm just going to take my dirty beauty blender. I should probably get a new one soon. And I'm just going to blend this into my skin. Taking this onto my neck, always important. For contour, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl concealer. This is a darker shade. I don't know which shade it is because there's no number on it, but it's just a darker shade. And I'm just going to apply this to all the usual areas that I contour, like my cheekbones and then along my forehead. And I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend this out. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer in a lighter shade, and I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes. And I'm going to blend as I go because I think this one dries kind of quickly. And again, I'm just using my beauty blender to blend this out as well. If you can't tell, I really love my beauty blender. I use it for pretty much everything. And if you don't know, you know you can use your beauty blender for powders as well. Yeah. That's right, girl. How about that? Okay, for highlight, I'm going to be using the Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighter. This is in the shade 2, and it's like a cream highlighter in this little pot. And I'm just going to take my little baby beauty blender, and I'm going to dip its butt right into this cream highlight. And I'm just going to apply this. I'm going to place this along my cheekbone, and then I'm going to place it up here. I like to highlight my forehead as well, and I like to highlight my chin and my cupid's bow area and along my nose. Okay, so we're going to get back to the eyes right now because they're not done yet. I'm going to start by curling my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using this Peacock Flare mascara from CoverGirl. I've never tried this before. I've also never seen it, so I'm excited. Okay, so I'm just going to apply a thin coat of mascara to my natural lashes. For lashes today, I'm going to be using these from House of Lash. These are from their faux mink collection. They're really nice. They honestly seem like real mink lashes, but they're not. They're faux mink, which is even better. And I'm also using House of Lashes lash adhesive because I really like their lash glue. I'm going to go back into this palette, and I'm going to take that navy blue shade again, and I'm just going to take this on my lower lash line. I'm using that same Sigma E32 brush to take this on my waterline, or my lower lash line. Once I finish that lower lash line shadow, I'm going to go back in with my mascara. I'm going to coat my false lashes just a little bit, mainly at the base to blend them with my natural lashes. And then I'm also going to do a layer on my lower lash line as well. For lips, I'm going to be using this right here. This is CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade Liquid Lipstick in the color Cakewalk. I am not going to line my lips. I'm just going to throw this bad boy right on there, and we'll see what happens. This is like an orangey, peachy nude shade, kind of a little bit brown. By the way, it smells really good. It smells like bubble gum. My lips are so chapped right now. I always have chapped lips. Why? I don't understand. Oh, I really like this color. It's nice. Never mind my chapped ass lips, but this color actually looks really good. Last but not least is setting spray. I'm going to be using this setting spray called Look Lockup from CoverGirl, obviously. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Oh, it smells good. It smells like cucumbers. Like almost like cucumber melony. It smells really good. And that's it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this eyeshadow look. I really, really love how this look turned out. I think it's really beautiful and pretty, and it's still sexy but bold at the same time. I don't know if this is wearable for me. Actually, I just don't know if I have the balls to wear this in public, even though it looks really cool, but it's so bold. I'm so plain Jane. I'm so vanilla when it comes to my makeup, but yeah, I did want to play around with blue eyeshadow, and I really, really love how this look turned out. So yeah, I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. I'm posting new videos once a week. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!